This one's a Motronic VK2, also got a Centurion 7 control. It's already running 2200 RPM. Can't even hear it. Very quiet. This VK2 is a 2-axis XY movement. It's got manual movement of the spindle, manual movement of the knee here. Still running at 2200 RPM. Got a 4-inch movement in the X-axis. A little bit of movement in the Y-axis as well in this program. Nice little quiet machine.